Hi everybody, welcome to the Active Mum Kitchen. I thought I would go live today with a little quick snippet of what we cooked last night, and it was really tasty. Everybody devoured it, and it was really simple to make, packed full of goodness. So yesterday morning, you know, I've been talking to lots of mums, and they've been saying how, I'm just so busy, my eating has fallen off the bandwagon, I'm so tired, I've got no energy. And you know what, I've been feeling a little bit the same. So yesterday morning I said, right, today I'm going to make something that will help to lift the energy, but it needs to be quick and easy because there's just so much going on right now. There's so much to do. So I'm hearing you mums out there, there's a lot happening. So this one was really simple, really tasty, packed full of goodness, so gave us all lots of energy, lots of nutrients. Lamb and barley soup. Okay, so all I did was I got a packet, about a kilo of 4/4 chops. So quite a fatty meat, but really tasty in this particular recipe. So I got the 4/4 chops and I browned them. So I browned them each side and then I popped them to the side. I then chopped up 2 onions, about 5 cloves of garlic, 2 big carrots, and 2 sticks of celery. And I diced them all up quite fine, and then I tossed them back through that pan and sauteed them in the pan that I had just browned the chops in. So they were all nicely browned. Then I popped the chops back into that same pan. I added 2 litres of really good stock, so not a stock that's got lots of preservatives and nasties in it, so just a really good stock from Woolworths. I grabbed 2 litres of really good stock, lots and lots of salt and pepper, and then I added 3/4 of a cup of barley. Now everybody says, what's barley? So I thought I better show you. This is barley. It's a grain, kind of a little bit ricey, a little bit wheaty, a little bit, but really good, really hearty. So 3/4 of a cup of barley, and added that to the mix as well. Stirred it, brought it to the simmer, and literally left it simmering in that one pot for about 2 to 3 hours. I would just stir it every now and then. I just let it go for a long time because I wanted the meat to be really soft and fall off the bone, and that happened. So meat was really soft and fall off the bone. Then I just grabbed each chop out with tongs, shredded the meat away from the bone, threw the bones out, and chucked the meat back in. At that point, I realized it needed a little bit more liquid, so I added a bit more stock and some water, lots more salt and pepper, and just let it simmer away. Served it with some nice crusty bread, and voila, amazing. So that is a really cool one, super easy. The kids loved it. We ate lots and lots. We've got leftovers as well. It freezes well, so it's a really handy meal to either eat for lunch the next day or whack into the freezer for times when you're a little bit time poor and just need something nutritious to eat. So if you are a busy mum that is time poor, feeling like you're not eating well and you've got no energy, try this one. Super simple. You can whip it up. I actually whipped it up. It simmered then while we did some homeschooling. So really simple, and enjoy that one. Take care everybody and have a great day.